Give me a big smile. Hey everybody, I am here with Austin, and listen, if you're watching the YouTube videos you saw earlier, I did a video with Austin and his gait, his duck walk there, and look at just how he's standing. This is what I think we're about 6-8 weeks in, and that's just his regular stance. Show everybody how you were standing, Austin. Yeah, pretty much. So
it was a little more this way.
It was really wonky, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So we just did Austin's re-exam today, and he said something to me that I thought was really worthy of sharing. So tell everybody what you were saying about your knee.
Yeah, so before I started with Dr. Ruffin, I had a knee surgery when I was a freshman in high school, and ended up keeping me from wrestling throughout all of high school, not wrestling my senior year, and having to cut my track career short as well. I really do feel like, honestly, through all of the progress I've made in just this past 6 to 8 weeks, that if I would have started this sooner, I would have definitely been able to have the high school wrestling career that I would have wanted.
And also, you were saying to me that you didn't think you would have ended up having surgery either, right?
No, I really don't think so, because I feel like a lot of it was just the fact that I just couldn't move, and trying to play sports and do all that kind of stuff while having really bad mobility is not good.
What wasn't gonna be good for your career, huh?
No, not at all.
So when we first started working with Austin, and I asked him to bend over and touch his toes, I want you to show everybody how far you went when you bent over to touch your toes. Don't go as far as you could today, but yeah.
This was about it.
That was literally about it. And can we tell everybody how old you are?
19.
He's 19, and that was as far as he could go. And not because he was in pain, but that was just his level of flexibility. So now you're going to show off. Now you're going to show everybody.
Now I can show
Now you can show off. You can show everybody how far. Look at that. Look at that.
What's up, buddy?
See, even the dog is happy.
What's up?
So through chiropractic care, and I've been giving Austin a lot of stretches to do, a lot of gait training, which is retraining how he walks. Go back and refer to the previous video we did on how to fix duck walk. That was this guy right here. And also doing a lot of activities, exercises that challenge his brain, balance, and coordination. You want to show him a little bit of that? Little one-legged stuff? So we're doing a lot of one-legged balancing. And even that is so much better. I mean, look at that. And his arches were completely collapsed when we first started. And you can see too, he's much more steady, and his arches are lifted up even. Let's see you do that on the other side. Yeah. I mean, your arches aren't collapsing in. Do you notice that too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm naturally standing up more on the side of my foot.
Yeah. That's so awesome. Well, congratulations, Austin. What would you tell anybody who was maybe afraid to go to the chiropractor or wasn't sure?
Do it.
Do it. Yes.
Do it. Do it.
Just
it helps.
Do it.
Just do it.
And at 19, how profound for a young man like Austin to recognize that if he would have started chiropractic care just a few short years ago, that it could have really changed the trajectory of where he's at. But we're definitely changing his life at this point in time. So thanks so much, Austin. I appreciate you committing and doing all your exercises, and super proud of you.
Thanks for fixing me.
Absolutely. Yay. Thanks for being here.